Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a custom audience in your Google Ads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove a custom audience in your Google Ads account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're uploading your customer list into Google Ads, sometimes it gets a little cluttered, especially if you're updating that list every single month. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove a custom audience, here on the left side, you're going to click on Tools. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and look for this line right here, Shared Library. Now you want to go ahead and click on Audience Manager. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the custom lists and audiences that you have inside your Google Ads. If you don't see this for some reason, make sure you've clicked here on Your Data Segments. Next, you want to go ahead and choose the list that you'd like to remove. So for example, this one right here. And all you're going to do is check the box next to the name of the custom audience. Once you do that, you're going to see this blue bar pop up, and you want to click on Edit. You want to click on Remove. Next, you're going to see this pop up right here asking if you're sure you want to go ahead and remove this audience. If so, click on Yes, Remove. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. You're going to see a little pop-up, one audience removed. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a custom audience in your Google Ads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.